Let's run through some quick tips to level up your visibility in Black Ops 6 and get that edge in game. Searcher 1. Set display mode to full screen exclusive for better performance. Navigate to Settings, Graphics, Display mode, and set it to full screen exclusive. This gives the game priority over display resources, helping to boost FPS and cut down on input lag. Windowed modes can lead to stuttering or lag, so if you're serious about performance, full screen exclusive is the way to go. 2. Adjust brightness to enhance visibility in dark areas. Go to Settings, Graphics, Brightness. Gradually bump it up to around 60 to 70%, just enough to make dark spots visible but not washed out. Use the game's brightness calibration as a base, then tweak depending on the map. 3. Enable NVIDIA Reflex Low Latency for reduced input lag. Head to Settings, Graphics, Low Latency, and set it to Enabled or Enabled plus Boost if your rig can handle it. This helps sync the game with your GPU, cutting down on input lag. Test it out in practice mode. You'll feel the difference in smoothness. 4. Customize enemy colors for easier identification. Navigate to Settings, Interface, Readability, Color Customization. Set Color Filter to Filter 2 for both the world and interface. Then choose a bright enemy color like red or yellow at max saturation. This helps make enemies pop out against most backgrounds. 5. Change minimap shape to square for improved enemy detection. Go to Settings, Interface, Minimap, and switch the shape to Square. A square minimap covers more area, which means better enemy tracking. Adjust the zoom for a good balance between nearby threats and overall map awareness. 6. Use Tracker perk to see enemy footsteps and ping targets. In your loadout perks, equip the Tracker perk. This perk shows recent enemy footsteps, making it easier to anticipate movements and set up ambushes. Pro tip, follow those footsteps to get a sense of direction and ping targets for your squad. 7. Adjust monitor settings for enhanced color vibrance. Open your monitor's on-screen display OSD menu, go to Color, Vibrance, or Saturation, and increase it to around 60 to 70%. This brings colors to life, making enemies stand out even more. Just don't overdo it, as too much saturation can cause eye strain. 8. Optimize Field of View, FOV. Navigate to Settings, Graphics, View, and set the FOV slider between 100 and 115. A higher FOV gives you a wider view of the battlefield, helping with peripheral awareness, but don't go too high, or distant targets may become harder to spot. Each of these tweaks can give you an edge in spotting enemies, reacting faster, and keeping gameplay smooth. Try them out and you'll see the impact on your performance.